Hi everyone. I want to quickly record a video for the first concept for helping user to select different type of policies. So this is a very early stage. I want to share it earlier than later because I want to choose the right direction to refine it to make sure that when we spend more effort, we are on the right direction. So this is about like to improve this page. We know that before from the research, when we default user to this page with a predefined pre-selected policy type, it's very difficult for user to locate to this thing to change it. So we make it a step like this for the MVC, but it's still very it's an empty page and it doesn't tell user like just by the name. It's not very self-explainable for the different policy type, and the policy type will grow to 6 or 7 in the future. So we want to create a rich page which help user to understand each policy type before they select one. And here are the basically two concepts I'm having. So one is text heavy, the other one is more card interesting. As I said, this is early stage, so I didn't really refine the copy, and I think the icons and the stuff need to be double think of, but I just want to show these two things to see that like, do we want to first go here or like we directly want to go for a card design or something? So what do you all think? So basically, the things added here is like we need to add a small navigation because we want to tell user that after they select this, they can go to next step, and it's actually only 2 steps there, and then they can create a policy with MR. So the difference between this is like this is purely text, but it doesn't involve any new component, new design. So this is very quick, but it's really text heavy. So we tell user that what the policy it is a description. And for the scan exclusion policy, I think it's good to tell the supported scan type so they know, but we can also remove it. We think it's too much. And I want to put example here so people know that's what type of policy I'm creating, could be creating. It's like helpful. So the another one is more like visually appealing. So we will have a card design and different icons to draw people's attention. And after they get used to it, probably they can just see the icon and directly choose. So each time like we need to create a hover state for this, and after user click on it, we directly jump back to that page. We also need to keep this bright scrum so user can easily navigate back to the private step. Of course, we will have the button for next page to go to private step. But for this one, since it's one click thingy, so user will just click on this, it automatically go to next step. So similar to before, it's a description area and example. Here for the scan execution policy, I added separate type together with the description. For others, is only description and quick example. So basically that's it. Let me know what you think. And so the only thing is for this one, I probably will need to double check with the pajama team because I don't think we have a card design component. So this is a very similar to the chart, like a single sys chart or something. I'm using just a border in the background, but maybe we can like make it visually more appealing after talking with them. But this might need slightly more time. So if we want to, we can go for this for MVC and refine it like this in the future. And something else I was thinking we can also do is like for the navigation, like we don't have a wizard stepper now. So I'm thinking also like because I'm designing a secondary navigation, like as a new component or something, it's also discover phase. So I'm thinking we can also use that in the future to make it even more cleaner or easier for user to navigate the steps. And we can even include like generate MR like as a step, so it's easier for user to navigate. Before we also see user have a navigation problem when they jump between MR and policy, like this top man navigation changes. But if you can include our step here, that could be easier for the user. But that's really for the future, so don't think about it. And yeah, so basically my main question is, so what do you think about this too? Or if you have other ideas, let me know. Thank you.